Hey everyone, this is Ron with Keller Williams Northeast Realty with the Ron and Jill Group here in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. I'm a 20-year military vet turned real estate agent now serving the greater Phoenix area. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the bell for notifications. I plan on pushing hard and posting multiple KW Command how-to videos every week. Now, let's get to the show. Alright everybody, let's go ahead and get started with importing contacts into Command. You'll start off logging into Command. Now to do this, first go to your contacts. If this is your first time downloading contacts into Command, say from another CRM or whatnot, start off by doing an export of all the contacts you had wherever they're at, whether they're in a different CRM, a spreadsheet, wherever. Then come over here to import. Click on download. There's already a pre-made CSV contact form, so you'll download that. Save it. Now let's go ahead and open up this form. And with this right here, this will require probably like a lot of copying and pasting. First name, middle name, last name, their full legal name, a little bit about them, their mobile phone number, home phone numbers, work phone number, email address. If you have their address, put that in there as well. Now, one thing when it comes to their address, this right here for address number 1, this is going to be their mailing address. So if you want to do mailing labels, this is the first address, so address 1. Now for address 2, this could very well be, okay, this is another address they reside at or whatnot. But for address 1, that is their mailing address. Now if you know their birthday, you can put their birthday down, when their home anniversary was. If they're in a specific stage, whether they're just a new captured lead, you connect with them, or you know what, you got them qualified and it's time to move on it, whether it's in the buy side or the sell side, you can put that in the stage as well. If there's any specialized tags that you want to attach to these contacts, you could do that here as well. For the system tags, these are kind of standard with the KW Command, so the only thing you have to do is type Y, that's it. It'll import it as with this tag right there next to them when you look at your contacts. If you do know their social media accounts, you can put their social media accounts right here. And we got a few of them over here, but if you know it, great, put it in there, because the more contact and the better connection you can get with your clients, the better off you're going to be. Now, once all that information is entered in there, you'll go ahead and save and ensure that it's done under a CSV. After that, you'll just do either drag and drop or just browse to wherever the CSV file is at and click import. Now, once it does import, you'll see a red dot above the bell, and it'll tell you that your contacts have been successfully imported. Now, some of the problems that I've seen, it's if there are duplicates, it will not enter in, especially if you have the one phone number for multiple people. If you're missing the first name, it will not enter it in. I know there are some contacts where you just have like the email address or phone number or both and their home address, but there's no first name, last name for whatever reason. It will not import in there. So you may have to manually do it. And even then, when you do manually do it, you will have to put in a first name. So just be aware of that. All right, everybody. This pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Please subscribe to the channel. This will definitely help us out and help us grow. And turn on the bell for notifications. I'm going to be posting a lot of content on here weekly. We'll see you soon.